the questions I often get is, what can I expect if I'm arrested for a DUI? And a lot of people are surprised when I tell them that they really wind up fighting two battles. One is in court, and I'm going to talk to you more about that process and what to expect in another video. But the other battle that you wind up fighting, usually first, is at the Department of Motor Vehicles, or the DMV, which is focused solely on suspending your driving privilege simply for being arrested for DUI. Now, when you were arrested, you had a valid driver's license, and this is your first DUI, you can expect the DMV to try to suspend your license for 4 months just for being arrested for that DUI. But you have the right to a hearing on the issue of the DMV's intended suspension of your license. The only thing you have to remember is you got to request one within 10 days of your arrest, or you lose the right to that hearing for good. And having that hearing is really valuable for several reasons, two of which are getting the hearing extends the life of the temporary license you're given by the officer when he arrests you, and the other is that you get the reports right away, the police reports of your DUI arrest and investigation. And you get them right away and much sooner than you would if you waited until you went to court to get them. And that's important because it gives you a leg up for when you get to court as far as understanding your case and preparing a defensive strategy for it when you get to court. Now, as I said, the DMV is solely focused on suspending your license. However, if that happens, you are eligible, if it's your first DUI and it's DUI alcohol and not drugs, you're eligible for one of two types of restricted license. One that requires you to put a breath device in your car to test for alcohol, and the other allows you only to drive to and from work within the scope of your work and to and from a DUI education class. Now, that's a general overview of what's going to happen to you when you fight that battle with the DMV. For more specific questions about your situation, you can contact me at 805-723-0711, or you can visit me on the web at www.matthewkraut.com.
Cool.